I really do feel passionate about the difference between a presentation and a document. And if you want documented information, that's fine. For me, the ability to present correctly and actually do the storytelling you're looking to do was the big game changer. And to be able to build that without a creative team backing me up to create this great storytelling deck. My name is McNeel Keenan, Vice President of Product Management at Cvent. So we run a lot of presentations. We're peaking over 1,000 presentations a year just by our product management team alone. And that's going to be everything from small 4-person team meetings up to a monthly stakeholder meeting with 350 to 400 people. So when you think about the job of a product manager, everybody demands your time. And so it's not about, are you able to stay busy? It's, are you able to make an impact? Before Beautiful.ai, we started taking inventory of how much time our team was spending building presentations. And we realized that it just took too much time. And with Beautiful, we were able to get the time down by 75%. So they could focus on the core message, the story, and the content, and not the design. When we start building a deck in Beautiful, it's one of two ways. We might be starting from scratch to tell a new story. Smart slides take ideas into stories. And that really gives us an idea of how to best communicate it. But more commonly, we're reusing other presentations, recombining them in different ways. That's one of the most powerful pieces of Beautiful, is being able to reuse content from other presentations you've already put together in the past. So we think of this as more than just a presentation tool. It is a collaboration tool. It helps us communicate more effectively. I'm always thinking about people, process, and product. And when it comes to process, I'm thinking about the tools that they're going to have to make sure that we get the most leverage from each product manager's time. Beautiful.ai is one of those tools. We're ensuring that we're spending time crafting the right story and not formatting. When presentations are powered by Beautiful, there is no approval process needed when it comes to the design aspects. Well, if you're thinking about adopting Beautiful.ai, some things I would tell you. Could it be made faster if you not only had smart slides, but you had all of your previous content and the content from your entire team right at your fingertips? That's the benefit of Beautiful.ai. You're going to spend a lot less time doing it, and each presentation is going to be much more impactful than ever before.